pain. Pops that told me life's a gamble, so I'm taking a chance. If you ain't with me, then it's straight, just let me know in advance. I feel I'm only getting better, cause my mind is enhanced. I know it's me against the world, I'm always taking a stand.
Yes, sir, man. What's good, YouTube? Already caught up back at it again. How's everybody doing, guys? Today is a Thursday, right before Friday. And then you already know the week is coming up. About to get litty for the weekend. Look, that boy Kiko, we got that boy. Look at him trying to knee knock. Dance on it, boy. Look at him. Oh, Jesus. Boy's becoming the next pro, bro. I'm telling you, he's coming a pro. And then we got that boy Danny out here. Yes, sir, dog. Bro, you was looking good out there yesterday, bro. God damn, dog. If y'all missed out yesterday's video, make sure y'all go check out that video. That boy Danny, he got back to the concrete wheelies and he pranked me yesterday. He pranked me, bro, with that broken finger. Eee. Does it still hurt though?
Yeah, it's sore.
It's sore? Damn, if you guys don't know, Danny got the most injuries, bro. I'm telling you. And like what, 2 months of riding?
Yeah.
You got like the most injuries out of everybody in 2 months of riding, guys. So I think Danny got like some bad luck or something. But today we're gonna do the no scrape challenge. Doing wheelies, trying not to scrape back here. I don't think anybody has done that before, bro. Yeah, try not to scrape. And yeah, guys, we're gonna go. Danny can't ride because he gotta take care of this kid. But he might be able to ride. He gonna ride though.
I'll take my fall and I'll fuck my shit up.
You're not gonna fall, bro. You a pro. You a pro, bro. You almost there. You're not a worm no more.
Yeah.
He kind of is a worm, though. I ain't gonna lie, but nah, he got that back breakdown, bro. You seen it? You see it? He got that back breakdown, bro.
Boy, you're not to be a rookie. You gotta be riding for 10 years.
To not be a rookie, you gotta be riding for 10 years.
Yeah.
Who said that?
I said something here.
Bro, we've been riding since we were little, bro. You don't remember
like
my quad?
Though. Not like that, though.
Not like doing wheelies and stuff?
Yeah, not like that.
Still though, like, bro, we've been riding though. It's cause back then I had a little Yamaha, I think it was like a 90, a little 90 quad. It was a semi-automatic. I think it was more than a 90 though. Started off with a little red bike my neighbor gave me. And then his mom, she wanted to ride. And I went down that ditch with her. So she was scared. She's not here. She went to the park. She went to the park. Yeah, I had a little quad and then we went down there and after that she got scared. She never rode. And after that, they gave me a quad, a blue Yamaha quad. And then it was ass?
Yeah.
I mean, back then we was little, so it felt fast. It felt fast. And this is a crazy story, bro. Danny was riding in the front of the bumper. And I almost ran over him in the church, guys. That's a story time right there, bro. That's a story time. I got a lot of stories on the quads. I just used to be crazy on the quads, guys. But we gonna go over there to the lot, do them wheelies. So before we get into the video, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications. We're on the road for 200 subscribers. The grind don't stop. The grind don't stop, bro. We close, guys. So make sure you share the video, share my channel, cause we got some lit content, bro. But let's go. Yo! Man, you don't care, bro. That's how you gotta do it, man. That's perks of being a man right there. Show you. Woo! He got the form, bro. He got the form. He do got the form. He got. Look how. Yo, he got the foot on the brake, bro. He got the foot on the brake, bro. Yo, you next, bro. You next, bro. Let's go, Kiko. Let's go, though. Wearing the helmet wrong. Wearing it like Damien. Damien. He's at his house. Let's go. You want to go ride? Let's go, guys. All right, guys. So you might think like, oh, that's easy. Just keep it in the air. Just don't go back. But nah. We're going to try to get it as close as we can to the ground without scraping, though. Like, you know, the closest I can get to the ground without scraping it. So, yeah, that's going to be the challenge because, you know, just keeping it up, that's easy. I'm not trying to get it close to the ground. So, we're going to do sitting down, and then we're going to do knee knocks next. So, let's go.
the camera. What you trying to say? Huh? What you want to say?
Even close to the ground or not?
Nah, fuck no.
Oh, really?
No.
Damn.
Just pop a normal wheelie, nigga.
Normal wheelie?
Yeah.
No wheelie? I mean, no scrape challenge, guys. I'm trying to get, I can't see from the back, so I don't know if I'm getting it close to the ground, but I know in some of them I'm getting it close to the ground, but yeah, guys, it's kind of easy. I don't know on the knee knocks, I can't do it on the knee knocks, getting it close. Let me try again, though. Let's try again. Trying like to keep it in between the, you know, trying to scrape it and not trying to scrape it, but damn, it's hard, bro. And there's gas spilling on me, so yeah, guys. But damn, that's the closest I think I could get it. If not, I'm gonna scrape it. But I bet y'all got some close ones. Looking closer now.
Yeah.
Yeah. The knee knocks or the sitting down are better?
The sitting down.
Sitting down, it looks closer. Yeah. Should I try to do it? Nah, because I need to hold the clutch. I can't be doing one hand. I'll try to do one hand and then, you know, getting close, but then scrape. Let me see if I can. Let me see. Watch out, watch out. Did I get it close? Was that close? With the one hand? Bro, it's hard. They can't see you.
Oh, yeah.
He's just nodding his head, guys. But he's on the back of the camera. He's saying, yeah. Yeah, you want to try? Go try.
Nah.
Congrats.
Nah.
Why not, bro? Bike life now, bro.
I'm scared.
Bro, that's still gay. No. You're gay. He's gay.
I'm not gay.
He's gay.
What? You scared? Man, guys, I ran out of storage again. I forgot to delete yesterday's video. But yeah, guys, apparently Danny's scared to do wheelies. What happened, bro? Bro, what? On the grass? Nothing's gonna happen, dog. You already got the back brake. Bro, look, try it, dog. You gotta try it. Yeah, here these guys, bro. Damn, what you gonna do when you got a dirt bike, though?
Right down.
You're not gonna ride it, like, you're not gonna be willing if you're scared. Jeez, guys. God damn, that's the... Never heard that in my life before, bro, but bike life. Niggas fall in the street, bro, and they still gonna be willing. But damn, guys, so I guess Danny don't want a wheelie for us. Hey! But yeah, guys, damn. What y'all think of them the scraping wheelies? Let me see my wheelie bar. Look at that. Sheesh, fresh new marks today. The white. But damn, look at this big head kid.
Ando la pasola dando para, ando la pasola a mí que me para, ando la pasola dando para, ando la pasola a mí que me para, ando la pasola dando para, ando la pasola a mí que me para, ando la pasola dando para, ando la pasola a mí que me para, dando para, a mí que me para, dando para, a mí que me para, a mí que me para. A mí que me para, ando la pasola haciendo corte pastelito. La montura que yo tengo es la madura del circuito. Nadie manda adelante porque le hice un arreglito y ando con una muñeca que parece un modelito. Yo no ando estándar, en la pasola siempre ando una llanta. Yo no ando estándar, en la pasola siempre ando una llanta. Ging, 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 bang, bang. Ging, 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 bang, bang. Ging, 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 bang, bang. Ging, 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 bang, bang. Ando la pasola dando para, ando la pasola a mí que me para, ando la pasola dando para, ando la pasola.
Ain't gonna lie, guys. I'm a little bit rusty today, though. Yeah, I need to get back out here wheelie bar on like on my own time. Be good at the wheelies again. Goddamn, I'm looking a little bit rusty. Yeah, guys, this is what Danny could be doing, bro. But I don't know why he's scared. Yeah, guys. If you guys did enjoy that video, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Bring it a little bit down. It's because he's tall, bro. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Share. Comment. We're on there for 200 subscribers, and that's always meant.
Monta muerto, mucho menos carapacho. Mirando bolita.